Jose Melencio Corpus Nartatez Jr., born March 19, 1971, is a Filipino police officer who has served as the 32nd Chief of the Philippine National Police since January 28, 2026, following the removal of Nicolas Torre from office. Jose Melencio Corpus Nartatez Jr. was born on March 19, 1971, in Santa Ilocos, Philippines. He accomplished his primary and secondary education in Metro Manila. He entered the Philippine Military Academy in 1988 and graduated as a member of the Tanglaw Diwa class of 1992, the last PMA batch eligible to become PNP Chief. He also obtained a master's degree in public administration. Nartatez has held several key positions within the Philippine National Police. He previously served as Director of the National Capital Region Police Office, NCRPO, Regional Director of Calabarzon Police, and Ilocos Norte Provincial Police Chief. In Camp Crame, he served in the Finance Service, later becoming Director for Controllership and Intelligence. He also served as a member of the elite PNP Special Action Force and under the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. He became Deputy Chief for Administration, the PNP's second highest position, in October 2024 following the retirement of Police Lieutenant General Emmanuel Peralta. Nartatez was appointed on August 26, 2025, Officer in Charge, Chief of the Philippine National Police, following the relief of Police General Nicolas Torre III. His appointment was confirmed by Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla and Executive Secretary Lucas Bersaman. On September 1, 2025, Nartatez was affirmed as acting PNP Chief. He became a 4-star police general on January 28, 2026, after Torre officially retired on January 19th. Nartatez was officially appointed as the Chief of the Philippine National Police on January 28, 2026 by President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.